Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Amazon Music Unlimited. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the music.amazon.com website on your browser, and then just go ahead and sign in with your account. Then click on the profile icon or the profile picture that's located at the top right corner of your screen or the website, and then just go with your Amazon Music settings. So once you click on that option, you will be forwarded into another page or another tab, as you can see, and here where you can find your subscription plan. Okay, so let's say it's unlimited, and let's consider that you have the unlimited, or I have right here the unlimited plan. So all I need to do is to go ahead and click on an option, and we'll find right here it says cancel subscription. Okay, then I will confirm and just click done, and it will be done as well. So now what happens after you cancel? So you can still use it until billing period ends, and no refund for remaining days, and the downloaded songs will stop working after it ends, and your account returns to free Prime version. Okay, so if you subscribed via your phone, the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, you will need to cancel from your phone, or let's say that you are using the Google Play Store, you will need to cancel from the Google Play Store itself. Just cancel there. And if you are using Apple App Store, you will need to cancel it in iPhone settings. Okay, so cancel before next billing date to avoid charges, and only the main account owner can cancel for a family plan. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.